the Christmas gift you can't buy in a store or the internet. A gift made with your very own hands. Maybe it would be a portrait of your child or grandchild. How valuable would that be to you?
That's priceless. I'm DK Richardson. I'm an award-winning professional portrait artist.
You may be asking, how am I going to create this unique gift? In this workshop,
We're going to use a simple grid system to get accurate proportions, and we're going to use pastel pencils and sticks because there's no drying time and we do not have to mix paint. From blank board to beautiful portrait in less time than you think. Do I have to have experience? No. Can the system work for me? Absolutely. We can all get a little overwhelmed, so you need someone like me to hold your hand through every step of the process to get you to the finish line. We're going to have fun, but you have to show up and you have to do the work.
the registration deadline is Monday, November the 29th. Let's look at what some of my previous students have achieved.
I'm only taking 8 students, so this offer is going to go fast.
2 full days creating a unique gift. Text gift portrait to 830-928-3393. Let's make an appointment for a brief phone call. I will personally answer your questions.
Hope to see you at the workshop.